Okay, here we are at week 7. This is the final week of the class. Congratulations for making it this far. The main focus of this week is going to be on the digital pedagogy project. During Monday's class, we're going to be focused on peer revision. This will go much the same as it did for the space critique. I do want you to remember, as you're doing the peer revision, to follow the rules that we made for the space critique. If you need to, you can go back and look at the video that I made for the peer revision for the space critique if you'd like. The rules are down below this video as well in there, so please remember them. Particularly remember trying to create complete comments for your peers with that what, why, and how in there. After you've finished that, you can move on to Thursday's class, of course. For Thursday's class, we have 3 different things that we're doing. The first one is I'd like you to re-answer those class questions that I gave you at the beginning of the semester. I imagine some of your responses might be very similar, but I imagine some of your responses might be very different now at the end of the semester after we've been thinking about digital literacies and wikis and video games and multimodality for all of this time. Of course, on Thursday, I'd also like you to turn in the final draft of your digital pedagogy project. Please remember to do parts 1, 2, and 3. Remember that parts 1 and 2 will be submitted in Google Drive like usual. And when you're ready for a grade, you can add the word final to the end of the document so that I know that you're ready for a grade. Part 3 will be submitted in a discussion forum that is in the weekly folder for Thursday's class. Submit it there like you would just submit a regular discussion. Just put a link to your part 3 in your discussion post. And then finally, the reflection will be due on Thursday as well. This is kind of a glorified homework assignment. It's bigger than a regular homework assignment, worth 400 points instead of 100 points. And there is a separate video explaining that on Thursday's class.